Google Site Verification Process. How to get a website verified. A free WordPress plugin makes it easy to verify a website. It works. Install the free-to-use Header Footer Code Manager plugin and activate it. In this example, I'm placing the Google Site Verification code in the header section of the home page of my website. You will name the snippet. You will choose the snippet type, which is HTML, and device display, I choose show on all devices, and in status, I keep it active, and you can see the short code that's created for future use. In the field at the bottom, that is where you will enter the snippet code you receive from Google. After you add the code, make sure you click Submit. Go back to your AdSense account or your Google Search Console account, because you can verify your site in many different ways, but it's going to be one or the other with Google. And I'm verifying it using free tools, a free plugin. There are many different ways to verify. But if you're new to using WordPress and you can at least, you know how to at least install plugins and start getting used to using plugins, this is one of the more simplest ways to get a website verified by Google. See you next time. Bye, everybody. To learn more about free resources available on the web, visit myincomejob.com.